I just saw one of those big parrotfish I was talking about right there on that rock.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he's sticking his fin out the water. I don't know if you guys, you can kind of see him now, I think. Hang on. Yeah, see him? Flapping around on this rock right here? His fin's just poking out the water on the rock right here. Keep breaking the surface. Right here to the right of these rocks out the water on the reef.
Yep.
There he is. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
see him? Yeah. He's like this big.
Really?
Big fish, yeah.
How deep is it out there?
Oh, it's right on top of that rock. It's like 2.5 feet.
Oh.
Just to the left and right of it is probably like 8 feet. He's just hanging out right there, feeding on that rock right now.
I'm gonna go out there then. That's not too far.
Yeah, if you just go real quiet, just go around by the rocks that are out the water, and you might be able to see it.
What kind? It's a
Parrotfish.
Parrotfish. A parrotfish?
Oh, parrotfish.
Yeah, big one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's the one that's done.
Yeah. He's just got his tail out the water right now, on top of that reef right there. Watch, if you just to the right of the rocks out the water, you see his tail just come up. He's feeding on the top of that rock.
What is it?
It's a parrotfish. Big parrotfish.
What size do you think?
Oh, he's like this big. I
Okay.
just went right by him. Yeah.
Sunfish,
He didn't mind. He's just doing his thing.
yeah. You see the sunfish on their sides and the flip.
Yeah, exactly. He's just waving at everyone.
That's right. He turns totally on its side.
He might have moved on now. No, there, he's still there.
I can go out there and see him.
He's still there. You see him?
Yeah, he just popped up.